How to fix Bluetooth audio cutting out on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to stop your Bluetooth audio from dropping or stuttering on your PC. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, search for Device Manager and click on it to open. From there, expand the Bluetooth section by clicking on the arrow next to it. Let me show you. At this point, find your Bluetooth adapter in the list and right-click on it. In the next step, click on Update Driver to check for any available driver updates. From there, click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows search for and install the latest driver. At this stage, once the update is complete, restart your PC and check if the audio cutting out issue has been resolved. From here, if the audio is still cutting out, let me show you the next fix. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter again in Device Manager. At this point, click on Properties to open the adapter settings. From there, click on the Power Management tab at the top. At this stage, uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and click on OK to save. Following this, this prevents Windows from reducing power to your Bluetooth adapter, which can cause audio dropouts. From here, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on System, and then click on Sound. At this point, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings to open the classic sound panel. From there, click on the Playback tab and find your Bluetooth audio device. Right-click on it and click on Properties. At this stage, click on the Advanced tab and lower the default format to a lower quality setting, like 16-bit 44/100 Hz. This reduces the audio processing load and can help eliminate dropouts. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Bluetooth audio cutting out on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.